Hey, what's up? I'm Demitri, your busy creator friend, and today I want to share 3 simple practical hacks to turn any long YouTube video into bite-sized notes and social clips without losing your mind. I run into this all the time. There's so much gold in long-form videos and interviews, but that value is usually buried in a 30 to 90-minute stream of talking. You simply cannot skim a long conversation the way you skim an article, and half the time you just want the highlights written out or ready to post clips. With the AI tools available right now, you can absolutely do that fast, but every tool has its own little quirks. I'm going to walk you through 3 different ways to extract transcripts and summaries, and then show you how to make them useful for content creation, especially if you use Vizard. First up, let's talk about the Chrome extension route, specifically using tools like YouTube Summary with ChatGPT and Claude. I have it installed and it is incredibly low friction. You just open any YouTube video, click the extension, and it instantly pulls the transcript and gives you timestamps. What is really neat is that you can jump to different timestamps directly, copy the plain text, or click Summarize to have the AI spit out a tidy summary in mere seconds. For those quick takes, it is absolutely brilliant because you get a readable transcript and a high-level summary almost instantly. But here is the catch. Extensions like this are fantastic for getting raw text, but they are not built for creating polished, viral-ready short clips. The timestamps are usually chunked into large, clunky blocks, sometimes 30 to 40 seconds long, which is okay for skimming, but not great for a punchy 10-second hook. Also, it does not automatically find the best moments or batch export clips for social media, so if you want automated growth, this is only half the battle. If your goal is just getting the text to do the rest by hand, this extension is clutch, but you'll need to combine it with something else for massive output. Second option is a web tool called Tactic, which breaks audio down much more granularly, often in 5 to 10 second intervals with super precise timestamps. You can click through each tiny chunk and it will jump exactly to that moment, which is perfect for capturing the best sound bites. It also has an upload feature and a workspace where you can store transcripts, analyze meetings, and run AI workflows after a call ends. If you are someone who records interviews or team meetings regularly, Tactic's workflow automation can be a real massive time saver. You can run sequences of prompts to get action items, highlights, or follow-up emails automatically without lifting a finger. Now, the limitation here is that while Tactic is awesome for accurate transcripts, it is still primarily a meeting analysis tool. It does not specialize in packaging those transcripts into social clips, creating multi-format edits, or auto-scheduling content across platforms. So, while Tactic gets you closer to the exact phrase you want, you still need a separate tool to turn that phrase into a vertical-ready caption clip. Third hack, quick summary tools like NoteGpio, which are perfect if you do not need the full transcript and just want a short, clean summary of core ideas. You just paste a YouTube link, click generate, and you get a short summary for free that is great for dropping into a notes app. The downside is that these summary tools are not meant for creators who want to publish frequent short clips, as they do not extract multiple moments or schedule posts. They are great for a quick read or prepping talking points, but they are definitely not a one-stop content machine. So we have covered 3 quick ways to get transcripts: a Chrome extension for speed, Tactic for detail, and NoteGpio for quick summaries. But here is where things get interesting. If you want to turn those transcripts into a constant stream of social clips without the manual labor, you want Vizard in your stack. Let's walk through a typical workflow that actually scales production, imagining you have a 60-minute interview. You can use the extension for a quick summary, Tactic for fine-grained timestamps, or NoteGpio to pick out main themes. Any of these will help you find those golden starting points where the energy spikes, the quote lands, or the insight is super shareable. Next step is Vizard, where you upload the original video or paste your notes and let the AI automatically analyze the content. Vizard finds the attention-grabbing moments, trims them for pacing, and generates ready-to-post clips formatted perfectly for the platforms you use. That is the magic of auto editing. It finds the hook and outputs clips that are essentially ready to post, saving you hours of scrubbing timelines. After Vizard pulls the clips, the auto schedule feature is where it gets truly friendly for the busy creator. You just set your posting frequency and target platforms, and Vizard handles the timing and distribution so you aren't juggling uploads all day. Finally, the content calendar lets you manage everything: review clips, add captions, edit thumbnails, and publish from one single dashboard. This is the practical difference. While other tools give you structure, Vizard packages it into social-ready content without you babysitting every single post. To compare, the Chrome extension is fastest for single video summaries, but it won't create stylized, scheduled clips. Tactic is great for long-form meetings, but isn't built for turning those transcripts into dozens of optimized vertical social clips. NoteGpio is perfect for a quick thesis statement, but again, it doesn't handle the editing, captions, or publishing cadence you need to grow. Vizard doesn't replace these tools, it complements them by taking the precise content discovery they provide and turning it into a publishing pipeline. In practice, you get the best of both worlds: precise discovery from your specialized tools, and fast clip creation from Vizard. One last tip: do not over-polish your content, because the fastest path to growth is consistent, slightly imperfect clips published regularly. Use the transcript tools to find the moments. Let Vizard do the chopping, and spend your actual time on high-leverage things like community replies. That is the rundown: 3 ways to extract text and 1 smooth way to turn that text into a constant stream of shorts. If you want a lean workflow, remember, use the extension for quick grabs, Tactic for timestamps, NoteGpio for toplines, and Vizard to turn it all into reach. No fluff, no wasted hours in the editor, just consistent content that actually reaches people who care about your message. Thanks for watching, and try mixing these tools into your workflow to see which combo saves you the most time. If you want more walkthroughs on how to set up Vizard with transcripts or optimize for TikTok, just let me know and I will make a follow-up. Catch you in the next one.